How's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse, with a little update video for the 2023 pressure washing rig rebuild. Now, this is not going to be considered a full-fledged part 5 or part 6, just an update. I want to show you where I'm at. So since the last time that we've taken a look at the rig, I had painted the floor, de-rusted as best I could all of the metal work, including the racks. Since then, I have built 2 racks. We'll take a walk around here in just a second. One for the 10 machine and one for the AR45. So I just have these mocked up, but this is where everything will sit. If you've seen my videos in the past, then you know that my 8 machine sits here. This is where the television goes for my break times. I'm joking, that's the control panel. My work box goes, my box goes right there with my metering system and all the control stuff there. 2 hose reels here and 2 hose reels here, right? So that's what that's going to look like. And then on the back side over here, or the other side, I will have the AR45 and the 10 gallon a minute machine with my 18-inch or 19-inch surface cleaner here, my 31-inch surface cleaner here. I have a rack built that I will be placing there. Just don't have it in place yet, and it will be upright as well. Got a couple of things left to do before we can really begin to start mounting. One is I need to, of course, officially mount these. They're just sitting in place at the time. And then I'm going to remove the tires and the wheels. I'm going to clean and then spray all of that as well on both sides. And let's see what else. Oh, I have the new gas tank that just came in. I have that in place. I still have to, many have recommended that I put a rubber mat on the bottom to allow it to rest on the rubber mat to kind of reduce some vibration. But I'm really loving this. I think that'll be a great place for that. That's going to be nice. I have something very special for the plumbing. I'll go ahead and tell you. So the 275 tank, which is right there, will sit right here, and then it'll have the filter that goes here. I'm going under the trailer with PVC 1.5 inch, and then come up with nothing but the hoses on either side. So there'll be no plumbing here. Right, so this is great for storage. Before, I couldn't really store anything because I had plumbing all over the place. Plumbing's going to go underneath, and there's plenty of room. I've already checked it out, and then come up with my hoses right here and right there. God, that's going to be so cool. It's going to be so cool. Yeah, so just a little bit of update. I still plan to do a full-fledged video on the signs. So a lot of people were asking me about that, and but yeah, I think that's where we're at with it. So Brian, I'm hoping soon that we can begin loading everything on here. At this point, I have not worked on this since Thanksgiving. We have had nothing but rain, snow, and cold weather since Thanksgiving. I finally got like a 60-degree day yesterday where I could get everything painted, the racks and whatnot. So I'm excited about that. Let's see. So yeah, I don't know when the next full-fledged video will be, because we're supposed to get another round of inclement weather this week and into the weekend. But you just take every moment that you can. Some were asking me, what's your big hurry? Well, 54 days till March. That's the big hurry. So yeah, and I don't know what weather's going to look like, so just got to do it when you can. All right. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. Give me a like and a follow and a subscribe. I'd be greatly appreciative of that. Leave a comment. Let me know what it is that you're looking for in this rebuild, so that we can make certain to at least hit it in the highlights. All right, Mike, The Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.